The vowel U makes the short sound and long U sound or sound. Now look at the short sound. In these examples, the vowel U can make the short vowel sound. Curve. Rug. Bun. Mug. Curb. Butter. Nuggets. Muffin. Gummy. Puzzle. Rubber. Puppet. Truck. Drum. Sun. Now look at the long U sound or long U sound. In these examples, the vowel U can make the long vowel U sound or U sound. U, cube. U, computer. U, music. U, tube. U, unicorn. U, uniform. U, mule. U, glue. U, ruler. U, student. U, fruit. U, noodles. U, flute. U, chew. U, moon. Amazing kids! We had so much fun learning short and long sounds of all the vowels A, E, I, O and U. Keep practicing and learning for these sounds in your favorite words. Thank you for learning with us. You are vowel champion. See you next time.